Your roof is your first line of defense against the elements, but it can become damaged and worn out over time. That's where Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver comes in. We are a locally owned and operated business with years of experience in the roofing industry. We understand how important a sturdy roof is to the safety and security of your home. Our team of professionals has the expertise and can handle any roofing job, big or small. Whether you need a roof repair in Denver or a complete replacement, we've got you covered. We're dedicated to offering our customers high-quality roofing services at affordable prices. Whether you have a small leak, missing shingles, or a damaged roof, we have the tools to repair your roof quickly and efficiently. We offer free estimates and competitive pricing, so you can be confident that you're getting the best value for your money. So, if you need reliable roof repair services, call us at 970-545-0020. And to see our portfolio of completed projects, visit our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/denver-roofing-company today. Protect your home and your family with Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver.